again everybody. Today I came up with a new card trick to show you guys. Okay, so let's start the trick. The trick is with the 4 aces. Ace of clubs, ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, and the last one, ace of spades. So, let me keep some random amount of cards in this, okay? Like 9 cards. Let's take from the bottom, it will be more nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? This is the special style of taking the cards. Okay? So now let me take some small amount of cards. Okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let me square up this card. Okay? Let me square up them properly. Okay? To keep it properly. Then I'm gonna keep it there. Let's take 11 cards now. I'm just adding these two, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just 30 cards here. Just for clarification. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So I'm gonna place these all cards here. Let me mix all these aces by keeping the aces in the middle of the piles. So ace of clubs, let me keep some like random amount like here, okay? Let me keep the ace of hearts on top of this pile, and let me square it up this here, okay? And now ace of diamonds on its own pile, ace of spades on its own pile, and this whole pile goes on top of this pile, and this whole pile goes on top of this pile. Okay? So now I'm gonna say you a small story, okay? So the story is about the three magicians and me, myself as a magician, okay? So as I was passing by, I saw 3 magicians keeping the aces in the middle, and they started playing a game called Finding the Aces. Okay? So I went and saw sneak peek. They started to play. The first magician said, I can just snap my fingers, and right there. See, there's a helper card which is flipped. Okay? Let me square up the cards. Okay? So actually, let me square this cards on top of 7s, okay? As 7 is a nice card. Let me just rub it on 7. Let's flip a card. And let me flip it because even the 7 is flipped. Okay? I'm gonna place the 7 here, and let me try to go 7 cards down, okay? Because the indicator card is 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and right there, ace of clubs. We found the first ace. Okay? And the other 2 magicians were impressed. But the second magician said, it's nice to find the ace like that, but it's time taking. I can just find the ace by just snapping my fingers and flipping over the ace. See, right there, there's the ace flip over. And nothing but it's the ace of hearts. And now, I want you to choose a random number from 1 to 10.
Number 2.
Number 2, go and choose. Let me keep 2 cards at the bottom. And then, as do you want me to spell ace of spades or ace of diamonds?
Ace of diamonds.
Ace of diamonds. Okay. Now I'm going to spell ace of diamonds. ACEOFDIAMOND. And right there, ace of diamonds of your choice. And the 3 magicians saw me and said, hey, did you see our ace show? Finding the ace show? Then I said yes. Then I asked them, can I find the fourth ace? I will do it my own way, so don't please get irritated. Have some patience, okay? Then they said, yeah, we'll have patience. You can take how much time you want, but do not see the cards. Just find the ace by magic, okay? Then I said, okay, I'll do it. So, what is the fourth ace I asked? They said ace of spades, okay? Then I tried in their way. First I snapped my fingers and then I saw the cards. There was no help of card. Oh no, what is this? Let me try the second magician way. Let me snap my fingers. Right there, the ace of spades is snapped. Hey, where is the ace of spades? I can't even find the ace of spades. Flip. Oh, what is this? Let me try to spell the ace of spades. ACEOFSPADE. Right there. Oh, it's not ace of spades. It's 10 of clubs. Hey, where is the ace of spades now? Let me keep these cards aside. Then I asked a magician, can I find it in my own way? Then they said, yeah, you can. Sure, you can find it in your own way. Then I just in-jog and out-jog. In-jog and out-jog. In-jog, out-jog. And I in-jog and out-jog the cards until I left with one card. Just like this. So then I asked them, can I take out the other cards? Because I feel there's not ace of spades there. Then they said, sure, it's your wish, but we are not going to say where's the ace of spades. And I kept them down, and I even kept the ace of spades, the other cards where ace of spades is not there, out-jogged cards down. Then I just in-jog, out-jog, in-jog, out-jog, in, out, in, out, in, out. I feel ace of spades is not here, and even not in out-jogged cards. Let me continue this process. In, out, in, out, in. Okay? So now I'm gonna take out these two cards right there and just in, out, in. And take out this in, out. And the last card left, ace of spades. And they all clapped at me and said, wow, what a good way of finding the ace. And the four aces came back. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications of my new videos. So bye bye.